Hello kids, welcome to our rhyme zone. Today we are going to dive into the world of Little Miss Muffet. So stand up everyone and warm up your voice. Now let's start. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her cards and whale. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So kids, now you know the actions. So let's do it again. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her cards and whale. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Kids, can we sing together? Let's try. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her cards and whale. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Very good, very good. You all are doing so well with me. So for your performance, today I will give you big hearts. So kids, you keep practicing this rhyme with actions. And if you enjoyed this video, then shower your love with like and subscribe. Now goodbye.